Hi everyone, this is my very first video on this channel. I can't believe this moment is finally here. I'm so excited, a little nervous, but mostly just thrilled to start this journey with all of you. If you are watching this, chances you are someone who wants to speak English confidently, but maybe you feel hesitate, worry about mistakes, or feel unsure how to express yourself. Guess what? You are not alone. I've been there too. I am Swati. I'm also learning, growing, and improving just like you. I am not a teacher. I am also a learner in this language, how to speak confidently. I created this channel because I know how frustrating it can be to want to speak fluently, but we feel stuck while speaking. I realize that English is not just about grammar and rules, it's about practice, confidence, and feeling free to express yourself. So, what's in store for you here? Fun, engaging, and practical way to improve your English. We will break hesitation, tackle real life conversation, and build confidence together. I may not have a big community yet, but every great journey starts with the first step. And this is a place where mistakes are welcome, learning is fun, and progress is celebrated. If you want to become unstoppable in English, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment in the comment section introducing yourself. And let's build this amazing learning journey together. Thank you so much for being here on my very first video. This is just the beginning and I can't wait to grow and improve with all of you. And keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, you are unstoppable. See you in the next video. Bye bye.